Friends, my name is Mohsin. In this session, we are going to learn SQL interview question and answers. Okay, here our first question is: write an SQL query to fetch all employees who are also manager from the employees detail table. Okay, so first let me copy this table here. Okay, here what it is asking? It is asking to give the person who is also a manager. Here you can see, okay, 102 employee is Alex Smith. He is manager and his employee is 102. Okay, and apart from him no one is manager as per 101 to 104. Okay, so what we have to do here, okay, let me select star from, let me give employee details, this one as E. Okay, and here I'm doing inner joining it. What inner join will do, it will select matching record from both the tables. Okay, from which table? Employee details table. Here I'm giving alias as M. On what basis? Okay, on employee basis. E dot employee ID is equals to M dot managerial ID. Okay, here let me select and press F5. Here you can see Alex, we got all the columns. What we need, just we need the name. Okay, from which table? E dot. Okay, here we will get only the name, who is employee as well as the manager. Okay, and the next question is: write an SQL query to fetch duplicate record from employee details. What we have to do first, okay, let me fetch the data, select star from employee details. Let's see, here you can see 104 Chris Root. Okay, his detail are reflecting twice. So what we have to do, okay, here let me, okay, we want the duplicate record. Select emp underscore id comma name, okay, and managerial id as well, and dob. Okay, then we want the count. Why? Because if it's more than one, okay, we want to count it. Okay, so these are, count is a summary data. These are the column which is in detail. So what we have to do, we have to use group by function. Here you can see we have to group it to these many things. Okay, comma employee underscore id. Okay, let me select and press F5 here. Here you can see Chris, his, okay, his ID is reflecting 2 times. His detail are reflecting, we can call it as 2 times. So this is how we can do it. So let me, here you can see duplicate records, we can find it. And if we want to elaborate, we can do having, okay, count greater than 1. Okay, bracket open, star, then greater than 1. Okay, select and press F5 here. Here we got the exact detail. Okay, having clause is based on result. Okay, result set based on group by. Okay, having, okay, what having will do, it will set the result based on group by clause. Okay, whereas where condition will be based on original table. Okay, here we can see Chris Root, his IDs, his detail are reflecting twice. And the next question is: write an query to remove duplicates. Okay, so here it is asking to remove the duplicate, like Chris detail are twice, so it is asking us to remove 1. For that, what we have to do, okay, here let me first select name comma managerial ID. These are the columns which I am taking id dob. Okay, I'm using rank function. Okay, over clause partitioning by dividing by name. Okay, order by date of birth. We want that, okay, detail to be in order by date of birth. We want to give this as alias as rw. Okay, from where? From employees detail table. Here you can see. Okay, let me select and press F5 here. Here you can see Chris details are true type. Okay, so what we will do, here it is asking to remove the duplicates. Okay, so with the help of CTE, common table expression, we are going to remove the duplicates. Okay, so here I am typing. So here it is asking to delete us, remove. So we have to type delete from CTE. From which table? CTE table, where RW is our column name which are greater than 1. So what it will do, it will delete the Chris root detail. This row it will going to delete it. Select and press F5 here. Here you can see one row affected. If we fetch the data, let me fetch it. Select star from employees detail. Select and press F5. Here you can see Chris detail is only once here. Okay, and the next question is, okay, write an SQL query to fetch only odd numbers. It is asking us to only the odd numbers. Okay, so what we have to do for that, let me type, say, just let me fetch employee detail. Okay, where, on what basis we want to do? I want to do it on the basis of employee emp id. Okay, here we have to percentage 2 is equals to 1. Okay, so here you can see only odd means we will get 1, 3, 5 as a output. Okay, here is employee id space percentage 2 is equals to 1. So what we will get it, we will get the odd rows. Select, here you can see. Okay, in the next query it is asking to fetch only even. So what I will do, I will copy this, paste it here. Just I will use shift number 1 or exclamation mark. And the next query is write an SQL query to create new table with data and structure copy. So let me fetch the data first. Select star from employee detail. Okay, here you can see. So it is asking me to copy the data in other table into. Okay, and we have to give the table name. I'm giving employee detail employees, same as here I'm using underscore 1 is a new table in which the data is going to copy from this source table. This will be our destiny table. Okay, let me select and press F5 here. Here you can see command completed successfully. So select it. Okay, and next here underscore 1. Okay, so let me compare. Here you can see everything is copied. And the next is write an SQL query to create an empty table with same structure as other. So what we have to do, just copying, pasting here. I want to give new table underscore to where. Okay, where, okay, where 1 is equals to 2. So what it will do, it will only copy the headers, not the rows. Let me press, here you can see 0 row affected. So let me compare this. Underscore 2 is a new table name. Okay, so select and press F5 here. Here you can see only header got copied. And the next 8th question is write an SQL query to fetch top n records. Top n records means what we have to do here. Let me type select. Okay, on what basis? First let me fetch the data from employee details table. Okay, we want to top here we don't have salary in employee details table, so let me fetch it from employee salary table. Okay, we want the salary in descending order. For that, what we will do, order by condition to which column on salary descending. We want the highest salary first and so on. 16 is the highest, second highest is 15, third highest is 14, and so on. Top n. So what we have to do for that? Okay, let me type top 2 salary. Okay, we will get the top 2 salaries. If we replace 2 with 3, we will get top 3 salaries here. Okay, and so on. N here, 3s are n. It will be 2, 4 based on our requirement. Okay, and the next question is write an SQL query to find the nth highest salary. Okay, nth highest salary, and here n is 3. So let me, both are the same. Let me okay, solve it first. For that, what we have to do, first let me fetch the data from highest salary is in employee salary table, order by salary descending order. We are taking highest salary first and so on. And what we want the top 3 salary. For that, what we have to do, we have to top 3. Here you can see we got the top 3 salaries. Okay, and we are looking for 14,000 as the output. For that, what we have to do, we have to type here select top 1. Okay, star from which table? Here I am making this table as subquery I'm giving name as Okay, order by salary. Select and press F5. Here we got the 14,000. Okay, here you can compare it as well. Okay, this is the 14,000. This is the third highest salary, and we got the outcome. Okay, this is how we have solved this 10 questions. Thank you. Have